What's up guys, welcome back. This video will be working on 2014 Porsche Turbo S/GT2RS Conversion Part 3. We'll be putting the car back together from bumper, fenders, side skirts, rear bumper, deck lid, and for the final, the wing. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. Everything is painted and ready to go. Alright, we're ready to put this front end together. Those are the fenders. That's the front bumper. That's the wing. And that's the deck lid. Lots of carbon. We'll start putting her back together right now.
Let's rock and roll.
Alright, the fenders are installed. They're looking pretty good. Gaps are good. Same with this side. So we'll do the headlights, the front bumper, the radiators, and all that good stuff next. Alright, the headlights are in, looking good. Same with this side. Next we'll do the radiators, condensers on both sides, and then the final will be the front bumper. All the air ducts are in, the left and the right, so we could start installing the bumper now. Alright, the back end is completely finished. We'll start doing the bumper installation. That's the rear bumper. Deck lid and the wing is ready. Time to install it. Came out nice and clean. Carbon looks phenomenal. Alright, some goodies came in finally. We got some air ducts. Let's take a look. Boom. Carbon fiber.
Ow!
Those are the side scoops. Let's see what else came in.
Maybe you need her back to leave it out of there.
Boom, and new side skirts, rocker moldings. So we'll gonna install all this right now on that monster. All right, I'm gonna install the GT2RS side skirts right now. Right, this side is on. It looks really aggressive and mean. We'll do this side now. All right, so we're putting carbon fiber air ducts. So we're gonna remove the original one and replace it with a nice carbon fiber one. Right guys, Turbo S/GT2RS conversion is almost finished, waiting on a couple things, fender liners and carbon fiber mirrors. But other than that, the back end is completely done. This car got lots of carbon fiber pieces. We're also just placed the order on 3-piece wheels, so they're making them. They should be ready in about 3 to 4 weeks. All right guys, we'll end the video here. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.